Hello everyone, my name is Utsav Basu. My roll number is 20CS30057. In this week's DIY project, I have made a circuit which controls a servo motor, as we can see here, in a fun way. So for the starting, let us look into our circuit. We can see there is a potentiometer which is connected between a 5 volt and a ground, which serves the purpose to control the voltage between the two limits. The output is taken from this via this blue wire and is fed into the analog input pin A0. Depending on the voltage that is being fed, a signal is sent from this pin number 9 via this yellow wire to this servo motor, via which we can control the motor. The fun part is that if we flip the switch, then in one mode it will rotate to an angle which will be determined by the rotation angle of this potentiometer, and in the other part it will rotate on its own in a kind of oscillatory manner. This LED is there as an indicator of which mode we are in. There are voltmeters, ammeters and oscilloscopes connected to this circuit to help us visualize the signals, the currents, voltages, etc. So now let us look into the code. So here's the code. Since we are working with servo motors, we have included the servo.h header file. Also I have declared a constant called input pin and initialized it to pin number 11. Further, I have declared an object of type servo which will basically control the servo motor. In the setup function, we have started the serial monitor, initialized the pins A0 and input pin to pin modes input, and attached the servo motor to pin number 9. The loop function, we have a conditional. If the input read by the input pin is low, then the servo motor will oscillate from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. This part of the code basically does that. The counter pos goes from 0 to 180, which is written to the servo, and then it returns from 180 to 0, which is again written in the servo. Now if the input is high, then this part of the code is not executed, else this part of the code is executed. What it does is that it reads the input from pin A0 and maps it between two values from 0 to 180, which is then displayed in the servo motor. That is, the servo motor rotates by that specific value. So let us see this code in action. So is our circuit. I have already copied and pasted the code in here, and we start the simulation. Okay. So this switch controls the switchover from one mode to the another, and I have set it now such that it will rotate by the angle which I will set via this potentiometer. As we can see, as we rotate the potentiometer, the servo motor rotates. Now if we switch this on, then it rotates on its own and kind of oscillates to and fro. Also, as we can see, the LED lights up in this mode and the signal received by the servo motor is correctly displayed in the oscilloscope. Thank you very much. That is all.